If you want to insert a header or footer, you have a couple of options. But first, to explain, the header is going to appear up here at the very top of the page. The footer is going to be text that appears down here at the very bottom of the page. Typically speaking, whatever you type in the header or footer is going to appear on all of your pages. If you just go up to the top of the page and double click, this screen will come up. Anything you type above the line would be your header. So if you wanted something different on the first page, you could check this box. That would be a great option in the event that you were writing a report or something that has a cover page. When you want to put in the footer, you would go down here to the bottom of the page, double click again, and you could type down here. And like I said, unless you click on different first page, you're gonna see the same thing appear on all of your pages. The other option for getting to that point, if you're having trouble double clicking, is to go up here to Insert, Header, and Page Number. There's your header option, there's your footer option. Here's where you're also going to find page number options. So these two options on this side, page 1 is the very first page. On this side, page 1 is the very second page. That didn't make sense, but you know what I mean. This would be your option if you were writing a report and you had a cover page that you didn't want to technically count as the first page. So with this option, the page number goes up in your header. With this option, it goes down at the bottom in the footer. You click on that and you can see in the corner where it automatically numbers your pages for you.